In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to draft content inside Notion. First, head to Notion, so on your computer and log in. Once you're in, open an existing page you want to work on, or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, give your page a clear title so you know exactly what you're building. This helps keep your workspace organized as your content grows. Now let's access Notion AI. You can do this in two simple ways. The quickest is to type the / command, then the letters AI, like this, /AI. You may also see an Ask AI button near the top or bottom of the page, depending on your layout. Either method opens the same assistant, so choose whichever feels most natural. In the prompt box, type what you wanted the AI to produce. For example, you might write a blog intro about trading tips. The more context you give, the better the result. You can mention your audience, tone, or desired length. For instance, saying you want a friendly, concise intro for beginners helps the AI match your style and goals. Press enter and give Notion AI a moment to generate the content. You'll see it appear in a preview window. Read through it carefully. If it aligns with what you want, click Accept to insert the content directly into your page. The text will land wherever your cursor was placed, so make sure you're active in the spot where you want that content to go. Next, edit and tweak the content as needed. This is a great time to adjust the voice, clarify points, and add any specifics the AI couldn't know. You can rewrite sentences, add examples, or format text for readability. Think of the AI output as a strong first draft, and your edits as the polishing step that makes it fit your exact message. From here, repeat the same process for the rest of your page. Use the AI to generate headings, summaries, lists, and other sections. Work section by section, prompting for each piece you need. For example, ask for a set of key takeaways, a short conclusion, or a bullet-free paragraph you can later format yourself. Accept the parts that fit, edit them, and keep building until your page is complete. That's it. Open your page, call up Notion AI, prompt with clarity, accept the draft, and refine. With this workflow, you'll produce polished content faster while staying fully in control of the final result.